they hated, didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't fall through? Now you hate yourself, you can look at me, look at me. You hate me.
And what up, what up, what up? What's good with y'all? Alright, so what are we getting into today? Today we're about to be heading over to my boy Jamar's and we're about to be wrapping up, or damn near wrapping up, the LSA 350Z. You guys seen the last video that thing did fire up. Chop, 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 chop. But we didn't get the rev it out too much because we had an issue where the belt wasn't aligned. What had occurred there is, since I'm running the OEM LS3 power steering pump, what needs to happen is you need to grab the little power steering tool and basically get the pulley to go back a little bit. Basically just press it on a little bit further than what it comes OEM. But anywho, that is all done. The car is running, starting up, idling good. So you guys are finally going to be able to hear that thing actually, you know, running and doing the LSA 350Z thing it does. Well, yeah, man, I'm excited. C5 is at Saxby Shop still. I'm gonna let them deal with that. But, you know, at least the LSA 350Z setup is done, man. You guys know I've been calling that thing the GTZ just because, you know, my whole thing behind that was like Porsche GT3, so I call it the GTZ. But now since we have the LSA, and I think I'm gonna dub that thing the GTZ R1, since it has a ZR1 LSA supercharger, you know. I think that's a good code name for that. GTZ R1. I need to get my my emblems made. I actually have the GTZ emblems right here. Had those 3D printed. Hold on, bam, GTZ emblems. But now I need to hit them up and be like, hey, I need the L1 added to it. Maybe I'll do the L1 in like another color too. Gotta exaggerate it. But anywho, man, let's go here, grab parts, because the parts that we were waiting for arrived a little early. So I could damn near take this thing home today. I could take it home today if I wanted to. But I think Jamar wants to keep it probably like a couple more days just to fully go over some stuff. But it's ready, bruh. It's ready. So let's grab the stuff. Granny's in here right now with her physical therapist or her nurse, so that's why I started the intro in the garage. You don't hear complaining?
Oh, yeah.
No.
She said we've been bossing her around.
Yeah, somebody gotta boss you around, or else you're gonna just be doing what you want to do.
All three of y'all don't have to jump on me.
Yeah, we do.
At the same time.
Didn't I tell you I'm trying to keep you on this earth for another 25 years? I told you, when you leave, I'm leaving with you.
Teachers are going to have to reapply for jobs, just like we're going to have to reapply just for a chance to
No.
Nita's already accepted this fate, right?
No.
When Granny leaves, I leave with her.
No.
All right, so these are the parts we were waiting for. This literally goes on the front of the LSA. So, literally the last piece we've been waiting for. So we're gonna go to Jamar's now and get these over there. All right, so what's good? What's good? We just getting here to my boy Mars right now, and here is the 350Z. Look at her. Look at her. So we do have the fittings. These are the fittings that are gonna be going on. Boop, and boop boop. Oh yeah, the top. Boopity boop boop boop. So this is what she's looking like. Those fittings are gonna be going right here. So we can get these at 90 off. This will look a little cleaner. Still need to get a longer line to extend over here to the brake booster. But other than that, she's ready. So I'm having Mars start this thing up in a second. Sick. Jesse, bro, if you watching this, what's up with my pillar, bro? What's up with my pillar, man? Alright, we're gonna start this thing up now. Woo. Perfect. Hey, she whined. Flip it. Yeah. Couple more. Dude, she sounds nasty. Ooh, oh my God. Hey, this shit sound nasty. Bruh. Nigga. You know this sound good. Look, he tried to keep the poker face. Hey, here's those fittings too. The fittings. You turning the water pump on? Oh, you got it. All right, yeah. Woo, this thing. Woo, woo, woo. Yeah, if you gonna post it, don't post it right now because I haven't dropped the video yet.
Is it okay if I
Yeah.
Alright.
Just don't post it today before I post. I'll probably have the video drop tomorrow or something.
tomorrow?
Yeah.
I watch your vlogs.
Oh, for sure. Thank you. Yo. I'm juiced, dude. This thing sounds crazy. Oh my God. Bruh. Whew. It's been a long week, but man, this thing sounds insane. 50 pounds of fuel pressure. Bruh. Oh my God. Hey, I couldn't be happier, man. This shit right here, this shit put a smile on my face. This thing sounds hella good. Oh my God, bro. Ah, yes. So what's up? You want to hear it? You want to hear it? Let's go. It's like, let's go. Check that thing out. Want to hear that thing? You got to stand in the front. Come this way a little bit so we can see. Here, you take this.
Take what?
So we can see your face. Do it. What it sound like?
No.
Boy. Damn. More about to bring her back in. Bro, this thing sounds so amazing. This is probably my best sounding car. I'm not even gonna cap. It's like one of those cars, y'all have to hear this in person to appreciate the sound. There's a little leaf in there in the wheel. This shit sounds amazing. So getting out, huh?
Yeah, dude.
Here, I'm grateful. Here, let me feed you this cookie. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. All right, so this video is gonna be short. We're gonna be wrapping it up. So yeah, man, got a few things to do, and then she's gonna be coming home. Super juiceful how this thing sounds. Still need to figure out an intake setup on how I want to do this. Maybe drop it down, probably in the wheel well or something, or maybe possibly run it back through here like it was before. Just all depends on how much space, because we have the heat exchanger here now. Not sure if I could actually get intake through there. Then even if I do get it in, it still might be sucking up hot air from the heat exchanger. So the only option may be to put it right here and possibly add maybe make a custom intake air scoop that pulls air from the front bumper. I don't know how I'm gonna tie that in, but maybe I'll talk to Jesse about that. Custom intake and then swoop it that way. That definitely might be something we can make happen, because I don't think we'll be able to get the intake back through there. But it still looks clean. Also need to get the brake booster to connect up over here. But yeah, overall everything still looks clean, other than the supercharger on top. Nothing else really changed. Wiring still tucked away. So yeah, this looks pretty spiffy. Happy with it. Might have more turn on one more time, you know what I'm saying? We'll get one more listen. So before we leave, we're gonna do the lines right now, because right now we just kind of have the lines going over the little fitting right here, but this fitting requires these like weird little, it's like these little spring kind of clips. You can see in there they have a little O-ring, and I guess that's what helps the seat. Never really seen a connection like this. So we're gonna probably lose a little bit of water, but ain't nothing here anyway but distilled water and water wetter. We ain't lose shit. The fitting's hella big. What you looking at, bruh? What you looking at? What you looking at, bruh? What you looking at? Don't jump on my car. These push lock fittings work hella good too. Hella hard to pull back off.
Yeah, typically you gotta cut them.
Huh?
Typically you gotta cut them off.
Right. Cut it back on. A little bubble came out. All right.
So what are you coming out?
Yeah.